What's mommy doing? Mommy, it looks like a scarf. I'm guessing, but I don't think she likes it. Let's see, Abby. So mommy barely covers 3/4 of me.
Hey, it's better than nothing.
Abby? Where's Abby? Look at all the snow. Look. Look. Go get it. Go get it. What? There's all kinds of snow, huh? Come on, let's go over here. Come on. Come on, hurry up. Come on, you can do it. You're not stuck. Who's a good dog? Whoa! Look at you! What? Boo! Look. What'd Daddy do to you? Get it! Get the snow! Get the snow! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Hurry up! I'm gonna get you, Abby! Boo! Boo! Come here, clean that snow off your face. All right, come on. Come on.
I should just let her go.
Abby. Hey, where's she gonna go?
Yeah.
Hey! What are you doing?
Just trying to throw it up in the air.
What are you doing? Get the snow?
Why are you throwing this up in the air? Go get it. Are you playing? Got snowball. Woo!